Everybody keeps asking the same question. Should I use PixVerse AI or just stick with Kling AI? Honestly, I think most people are comparing them the wrong way. They'll look at feature lists, watch a few AI generated demos, and then decide which one is better. That tells you almost nothing. Here's the comparison that actually matters. Imagine you have one client project due tomorrow, or one YouTube video you need to publish tonight. Which tool gets you to the finish line faster? That's the one you should care about. Let's start with PixVerse AI. One thing people like about it is how quickly you can turn an idea into a video. The workflow is fairly straightforward, and it doesn't take long to start experimenting with prompts. For creators who want to move fast, that's a real advantage. Now let's talk about Kling AI. Kling has built a reputation for generating smooth motion and more cinematic looking scenes, especially when the prompt is detailed. When everything lines up, the results can look incredibly polished. But here's something that rarely gets mentioned. Neither tool wins every single time. Run the exact same prompt through both, and you'll probably notice one handles a certain scene better, while the other does a better job with something completely different. That's why I never recommend choosing an AI video generator based on one viral clip you saw online. Instead, take a project you're already working on. Use the exact same prompt in both tools. Then compare 4 things. Which one followed your prompt more accurately? Which one looked more realistic? Which one rendered faster? And which one needed less editing afterward? Those 4 answers matter a lot more than a list of features. Now, here's where I think the decision becomes easier. If your priority is getting high quality cinematic visuals, Kling AI is a very strong option. If you value a fast workflow and enjoy experimenting with different ideas, PixVerse AI deserves serious consideration. The truth is, you're probably not choosing between a good tool and a bad tool. You're choosing between 2 different workflows. And the right workflow depends on what you create every week. So, is PixVerse AI better than Kling AI? For some creators, yes. For others, no. It really comes down to whether speed or cinematic quality matters more for your projects. Now, I want to hear from you. If I gave you both tools for free for the next 12 months, which one would you spend more time using? PixVerse AI or Kling AI? Tell me why in the comments. I'm interested to see whether creators value speed or quality more.